province life.
And this is our life in the Philippines. We have here the seedlings ready to plant. We have here guyabano and avocado. So let's plant this one. So if you have mini farm or you have garden, so definitely you can live here in the Philippines. And also some livestock like chicken and ducks. So living in the Philippines is so simple, and what I really love is the province life that we have. So this is tomato, guys. I've learned to grow them in a paper towel. We also have onion leaves, so let's harvest first.